Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to draw center line in AutoCAD. Let's start. So we have make a one line. So I draw a one line here. And to change this line to center line, we have to go here line type manager. We have to type line type, enter, and this line type manager will appear in the screen. So this is the one way by typing in the command line. Other method is here. If you go here, click this one, others, here also the line type menu will be appear. So right now there is only three lines are showing. One is by layer, by block and continuous. We have to add other lines here. How we can do that? So click on load. Here we have to select all. OK. Then click OK. So now all the lines are appear in the line type manager. We have to type here line type. Yeah, you can see now. Previously we have only three lines previously. Now all the lines are there. How we can change that? Select the line first, then type change properties ch. So this window will be pop up. Here you have to select by layer, and here we have to select center line. So our continuous line change to center line. Now you can see that the scale of the center line is not good. So we can change the scale. Type LTS, enter. Right now the scale is 1. I make it 10. You can see now the scale width is changed. And make it 5. In this way, we can change any line as per our requirement in the AutoCAD. Let's say you want to change to another line. First, you have to select the line which you're going to change like this. You can click by right click, and you can here also write properties. Click on properties. This is also the way. I want to change the center to, and this line change to center to now. If you have any comment related to this center line, please do comment below. I will try to answer your queries. Thanks for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.